Here is a detailed step-by-step guide in English on how to build a bathroom niche using porcelain tiles. Written with clarity and professionalism and approximately 6,000 characters. Long title: How to Build a Bathroom Niche with Porcelain Tile. A step-by-step guide for a professional finish introduction. A bathroom niche isn't just a decorative elementique, a practical feature that adds storage space for everyday items like shampoo, soap, candles, and other toiletries. When done right, it also enhances the style and elegance of your bathroom. Porcelain tile is a top choice for finishing a niche due to its durability, water resistance, and aesthetic appeal. This guide will walk you through the process of planning, cutting, tiling, and finishing a bathroom niche using porcelain tiles, ensuring the result is both functional and beautiful. 1. Planning and preparation before you start any demolition or installation. Proper planning is essential. Choose B. Location: the niche should be in a convenient, visible area above the tub, in the shower wall, or next to the sink. Avoid areas with electrical wiring or plumbing. Use a stud finder and pipe detector to check the wall. B. Take accurate measurements. Typical niche dimensions. Width: 30 to 70 centimeters, 12 inches to 28 height. 30 to 50 centimeters, 12 inches to 20. Depth: 10 to 15 centimeters, 4 to 6 c. Tools and materials: porcelain tiles, high quality, porcelain adhesive or thin-set mortar, Weber, Caraflex, Mapai, etc. Tile spacers: 1 to 2 millimeters tile cutter, or wet saw-level bubble or laser silicone mold resistant. Waterproof grout, anti-mold. For bathrooms: rubber, float sponge, and clean water safety equipment, gloves. Goggles. Mask 2. Wall opening and niche structure for a recessed in-wall niche. Cut an opening in the drywall or cement board to match your planned dimensions. Carefully remove the material with a multi-tool or saw. Install horizontal support wooden studs or brackets inside the wall cavity to form the base and top of the niche. Screw cement board into the framing for moisture resistance. B. For a surface-mounted niche. Build a frame from waterproof materials like lightweight blocks or foam backer board. Secure it to the wall using construction adhesive and screws. Slope the base slightly forward 1 to 2 degrees to allow water drainage. 3. Waterproofing before tiling. Waterproof the niche to prevent leaks and mold. Apply a waterproof membrane, such as Red Guard or Schluter Curdy, to the niche interior. Seal all corners and seams with waterproofing tape. Let it dry according to manufacturer instructions. 4. Cutting and installing. Porcelain tiles: prepare the adhesive. Mix the porcelain adhesive or thin-set mortar according to product instructions. It should be thick and not runny. Be cutting tiles. Use a wet saw for precise cuts, especially for thick porcelain tiles. For a professional look, use 45-degree miter cuts garbage on corners to create seamless edges. See tiling the niche. Start with the bottom base, then sides, back, wall, and top. Apply a thin layer of adhesive with a notched trowel to each surface. Use tile spacers to maintain even gaps. Always check alignment with a level to ensure the tiles are perfectly straight. Wipe off any excess adhesive before it dries. 5. Grouting. The joints after 24 hours of drying time, prepare the grout color matched to your tile for a clean look. Apply it using a rubber float, pushing it deep into the joints. Remove excess grout with a damp sponge after about 10 minutes. Let it dry for a few hours. Then polish the tiles with a soft cloth .6. Sealing and final touches A. Apply silicone. Seal the corners and edges of the niche where the tile meets the wall with waterproof, anti-mold silicone. Smooth the silicone with a damp finger or finishing tool. Add optional lighting if you want extra ambience. Install waterproof LED lighting inside the niche. Use IP65 rated LED strips and ensure the wiring is properly insulated and safe for wet zones. See Install. Glass shelves optional. You can divide the niche with a glass shelf or porcelain slab, depending on your style. Expert tips: always dry fit your tiles before applying adhesive to ensure accuracy. Don't rush the miter cuts. Perfect angles are key to a luxury finish. Use only adhesives and grout made for porcelain tiles. Slightly slope the base tile to prevent standing water. Clean tools and surfaces immediately after each step to avoid hard stains. Conclusion: building a bathroom niche with porcelain tile requires patience, precision, and good planning, but the result is worth it. A well-installed niche not only adds functional storage, but also elevates the entire look of your bathroom. Whether you're a seasoned D-yer or working with a tile professional, following these steps will help you achieve a durable and stylish finish that lasts for years. If you want, I can also provide a 3D concept design or a cutting diagram for your niche. Just let me know.
14. Slip resistance, because safety matters. A beautiful floor is useless if it's slippery. For porcelain, Hassan uses R10 or R11 rated anti-slip tiles. In marble, he creates light grooves or uses a textured finish to reduce risk. He sometimes includes a central strip of rougher tiles as a safety zone. His belief: if grandma can't shower without slipping, it's not a safe floor. 15. Post-installation drying. Let it cure after installation. The area is left untouched for at least 48 hours. Natural airflow is encouraged, or fans are used for ventilation. The drain is sealed temporarily to avoid debris falling in. Masters. Warning: many beautiful floors are ruined because someone walked on them too soon. 16. Corners and edges, where skill shows corners are, where great work is truly measured. He uses angle grinders with diamond pads to round edges. All internal corners are beveled or slightly rounded to prevent water collection. Hand sands each corner for a smooth, refined finish. Quote, "Sharp corners collect filth. Soft corners whisper elegance." 17. Marble art, the signature touch. One of Hassan's most celebrated projects was a 3-tone marble shower floor. White base, gray accents, and a circular black marble pattern at the center. Hand cut with a water jet and placed using a compass design, finished with a mirror-polished sealant that made it glow. Client's reaction: this is not a bathroom floor. It's a sculpture underwater. 18. Customer collaboration. More than just a job, every project starts and ends with conversation. Hassan presents sample layouts or mock-ups before starting. He invites feedback during installation. He provides care instructions tailored to the material. Philosophy: the client isn't just a payer, they're part of the vision. 19. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Hassan has seen it all, including failed installations by others. Incorrect drain placement causes standing water. No waterproofing layer results in long-term leaks. Overuse of grout sealer dulls the marble's finish. Case story: I was called to fix a luxury bathroom. The tiles were laid flat, no slope, no membrane, just tiles over sand. It was a swamp. Within months, 20. Final thoughts: when craft becomes legacy master, Hassan's journey is more than a technical story. It's the legacy of hands, tools, and experience combined. To him, a shower floor isn't just a utility. It's a canvas. Every tile is a decision. Every cut is an act of intention. And every finished job is a quiet signature in stone and water. Whether you're a craftsman seeking inspiration or a homeowner